Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in a Mitsubishi Mirage G4. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure to have 4 quarts of new 0W20 engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change. Now, let's drain the old oil. Begin by safely lifting the front of your Mirage G4 and securing it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. It's typically a 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. First, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. This ensures a secure seal. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform final checks. Remove the oil filler cap on top of your engine. Carefully pour in about 3.5 quarts of fresh 0W20 engine oil. Use the dipstick to check the oil level, adding small amounts until it reaches the full mark. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Recheck the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the filter and drain plug. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.